As Nigerians talk say they no go rest, Ghana national security officers will never rest until they decided to willingly leave Ghana the hell alone, guys. The news on my table this morning is about 53 Nigerians that were arrested by Ghana national security. Guys, let's take a look at the video. But before we watch, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it a last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do well to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's get right into it.
My people, breaking news. Nigerians, Bolabes Nigerians have done it. Oh, again. So, the Cyber Security Authority, collaboration with the National Security and CSA, ladies and gentlemen, has arrested 53 Nigerians Bolabeds who are in Ghana here doing Yahoo, doing 419. Ladies and gentlemen, as they were arrested in East Lagos Hills, 2 Afienya, 3 Weja, and 4 Tuba. Ladies and gentlemen, the items retrieved in this operation: 52 mobile phones used for the Yahoo, 62 laptops, 62 laptops used for the Yahoo. Ladies and gentlemen, the shocking aspect is that with this operation is that they retrieved 2 pump action. 2 pop action. When I say pop action, you know, now chewing gum. Ladies and gentlemen, now these security agencies have hand over these Nigerian bolabed who don't want to work, who are lazy from their country to our country to damage the image of Ghana, hand over to the Ghana immigration and the law enforcement. Ladies and gentlemen, the question is, are we safe in this country as Ghanaians? Are we safe in this country as Ghanaians? There's a foreigner from Nigeria doing Yahoo in Ghana. Even as for that, I will not dig inside now, but let's dig inside the pop action. That a foreigner is having a chewing gum pop action in his house, in protecting his Yahoo business in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, which means allegedly in the night, some of them will use that pop action and go out to do roro. Because Yahoo money not be every day. Yahoo money they enter. Not be every day Yahoo money they enter. How loose our immigrations are for a foreigner to enter this country Ghana with pop action. This one, intelligence got by the security agencies. That is the main reason why these people were apprehended. Now, the question is, what about the rest? Where they don't have any clue about them now. Ladies and gentlemen, and our security service start entering these foreigners, especially these Nigerian polar bears, their houses. Doing search. Just search them anyhow. Because they are more. I believe, as a Nyash president, I said they are more. These are just two pump actions. They are more. Anyway, my name is the Nyash president, and I continue to be your number one Nyash president all over the world. Anyway, power to the Nyash. One. These people, they are very evil people. Evil Nigerians. Nothing anybody can tell me. You come all the way from your country to do yahoo.
Today is January 15th, 2026, and this is a proclamation of the King from Yahweh to the people of Ghana. Your current flag bears a curse that was placed upon your people by Kwame Nkrumah, who is a puppet of Esau. You will no longer be identified with the colors of red, green, and yellow, or the five-pointed star. From this day, you will be defined by the colors green and gold and a crest given to you by the king. All of your current chiefs will be overthrown, and you will no longer be governed by a president. You will be an empire under the Kubala kingdom. So your days of toiling and suffering are finally over. Remember, only 1/3 of the human population will survive, and only a remnant from among you. So this is a new day of liberty and true freedom. God save the king. Kubala, Kubala, Iliswe.
Kubala, or whatever you people call yourself. Kubala, or whatever kingdom you people call yourself. Carry down your madness. When no get cure, far. That Kubala, whatever, I said, carry down your madness when no get cure, far away from Ghana. Which kind of land is cursed? Now you people are cursed. They carry you go abroad to go for greener pasture. You people go in there, start the smoke Igbo. You people start the smoke PPP for that country. And look at the nature of how you people are looking now. Now you people are staying in bushes, thinking you people are building kingdom. Which kind of nonsense kingdom is that? Kubala. Kubala, is it the name of a person or an animal? Fine girl like you. Fine girl like you want to marry, go marry idiots. Now all of you, now idiots, wherever you are now. Doing what? Coming to Ghana to change our flag, our blah blah blah, rule by what, blah blah blah. Coming to Ghana to do what? Change our flag, change our governance, and now you people are coming to take over Ghana and do what? As what? Kubala Kingdom. Sorry, they are even mad people. Why I say I am saying that they crazy? You already crazy people. What kind of nonsense and loose talk is that? As fine as you are, you people don't go look for work. You people will not stand up and go look for work and stop that madness you people are living. What kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? When African man has opportunity to get chance, instead of him to use it properly, una go there, they do drugs. Nothing anybody can tell me. These mad people went there and start to do drugs. They smoke Igbo, they carry powder. Now, all of them don't craze. Thinking all the world belongs to them. Wherever they are, wherever they want to get it. Now, your kingdom no fee hold for British. Your kingdom no fee hold for Scottish. Now, Ghana, you people won't carry your madness. Come Ghana here. Ghana, we crazy. So. But I tell you, people, we already crazy. So. No can add your madness on top of madness. Yes, all of us don't go enter this country. Which kind of Kubala I'm hearing? I've been hearing this disease. But as a Dutch president, man, let me keep quiet on this. But I can see this madness is getting serious. And they need cure. They need serious cure. You come Ghana here from airport, you go start a dash you people 500. You go that madness go run out of you people. Idiots. Anyway, my name is the Nyash President, and I continue to be your number one Nyash President all over the world. Anyway,
I apologize. I'm continue.
Power to the Nyash. One
met with the kidnappers. Kidnappers brought out the woman. They did not count the money to know if it's above 20 million or below 20 million. The boy came out from the forest and raised alarm that it was because of my making. That was the reason why the man was not released. Wow. Unfortunately, I now later knew that those guys, all of them were working for VDM.
Yeah, we're definitely going to come to the VDM issue. Yeah.
You get kidnappers.
My people. It don't finally castle. Nigerians has done it. Oh, again. So this man in the interview is called Harrison. Ladies and gentlemen, Harrison work in Nigeria is that when kidnappers kidnap any bed in that country, he is the one to go and pay the ransom to those kidnappers before any bed who is kidnapped can be released. Ladies and gentlemen, Harrison has been doing this job with the bandit for so long, but when he go and pay the ransom, he himself, nobody, no kidnapper want to kidnap him. Ladies and gentlemen, out of envious and jealousy, VDM now has a banter with his work. Ladies and gentlemen, who is this VDM? VDM is one of Nigeria's bed who insulted Ghanaians, saying that our government accept fraudulent money, and also when their government officials thief money for Nigeria, they invest in Ghana government, and everybody in this country was quiet. Until now, our government has not been able to answer or to call this bed into action. Ladies and gentlemen, now Harrison has accused very dark man has an bandit group, kidnapper group in that Nigeria. That is the main reason why they set him up. You heard the video. I've not missed any words out of it. Ladies and gentlemen, the shocking is that his bosom friend Kokopi, instead of him to support or debunk that statement, he now out with a video claiming that he Gege want me, oh. Gege want me, oh. That I should distance myself from very dark man. Ladies and gentlemen, they say, show me your friend and I'll show you his character. Ladies and gentlemen, Coco P has now said, from today henceforth, you will not see him together with very dark man, because very dark man owns a kidnapping or kidnapper or bandit group. Not as if president, I am lying. Let's go and watch Coco P video. Mr. Ed, drop the video.
You get kidnappers. Oh, Jesus. Gege want me. Gege want me. Say me I declare video my enemy. Fucking hell.
All of them were working for VDM.
Yeah, we're definitely.
VDM, your confidence too much. VDM, so you went as far as setting everything up. So VDM, are you kidnapped that girl now? That girl that you kidnapped the husband and wife. Because the way they carry the matter for her, that they want her. You later find out they are working for VDM. Hey, God, Nigerians wanna help me. Nigerians wanna help me. Oh, VDM must feel. I beg from today, if people find me with VDM again, God, Daki, no. This is a clear accusation, no. VDM, you be kidnapper. I mean, Nigerians, I need that, I beg. I'm not be kidnapper. I'm not a kidnapper. I'm a musician. VDM, please come and defend yourself, I beg. VDM, man, kidnap the husband and wife just because he knows say Harrison will come. He knows say Harrison will come out money. So VDM now arrange all these things. God, thank you. Bad news is not for me. God forbid, oh, Jesus.
Yes.
It's called copy.
Yes.
Allah.
Both of them.
Anyway, my name is the Nyash president, and I'll continue to be your #1 Nyash president all over the world. Anyway, the power to the Nyash. What Nigeria area. Now VDM owns a bandit kidnapper group. Nigeria. Nothing good come out.